Greetings again. How to buy Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies in Texas, USA. Welcome. I am Emre, the webmaster of cryptocurrencyusa.net. In this video, I want to show you the easiest way to buy Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies for investors living in Texas. How to deposit money on Binance, how to buy Bitcoin, how to buy cryptocurrencies. You can find answers to all your questions in this video. Just follow the steps in the video. By the way, you can use the 20% commission kickback links and codes in description section in this video. Now, there is our website, Cryptocurrency USA. What is this website? cryptocurrencyusa.net. You can get all informations about cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin and other coins, Ethereum or Ripple. How to buy with credit card. Yes, and articles about all cryptocurrencies. There is important point. Firstly, we click this list of top cryptocurrencies. In this page, we can find all important cryptocurrencies and informations. Yes. Firstly, we want to buy Bitcoin in Texas, USA. If we need information about Bitcoin, we can click this button. All information's here about Bitcoin. For buy Bitcoin, we can click this button. Let's go.